everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome back to another vlog. So don't know what that was, but yeah, so today I've got a lot of plans today, but before I do that, I'm just going to give you a little bit of life update, just because I haven't been on YouTube. I don't think I've uploaded for about 5 days, which sometimes can happen because people do have bad weeks and busy weeks and stuff like that, which is fine. But I thought I would update you on this one because basically this week it's been a little bit dramatic, you know, a little bit much. So started the week off full of positivity, absolutely fine, and then midweek, as I'm about to film the video that I'm going to be filming today, unfortunately Jonathan had a bit of a car accident, and I say a bit of a car accident because he's absolutely fine. Literally just has a bit of whiplash and everything else, and I talk like that just because don't ever make anything worse than it is, don't panic and all of that. So that's what I've been trying to do this week. So basically it's just been a bit of a funny week, and because we've been getting a courtesy car, we're actually picking it up today because they've been a bit delayed in it. I haven't been able to do exactly what I want to do in this video because my original plan was to go to IKEA, pick up the bits that I'm going to be using for storage, to change up my storage so that I can declutter and use it in that storage. But unfortunately, I haven't been able to get to IKEA, and I really want to film this video because there is a big reason why I'm filming this video. So as of Monday, actually finally getting our new sofas delivered. I can't believe it, and I'll tell you why I can't believe it. We ordered it, when did we order it? About 4 or 5 weeks ago. They said it takes up to 8 weeks, which is in normal times. But because of everything that's been going on and everyone who was delayed from before lockdown, we thought, oh, this is going to take about 3 months. So I was absolutely delighted and over the moon when they emailed us and said it's ready to be delivered and book your delivery date. So yeah, it's coming on Monday. I am so excited about this. If you don't already know, if you've been on my channel, you will know how excited I am to get a new sofa. I've had this sofa that I've got now for about, I want to say 7 years, and it is literally battered. It's done as well for having kids, but it's literally battered. So super excited about that because now I can start to actually make my front room a little bit more cozy and a bit more styled. So I've been waiting for these sofas so that I can have them in place, because I'm going to have like a 3-piece instead of a corner this time. So I've been waiting for that so that it's all in place so that I can then figure out where I'm putting like a table, or not a table, like a dining room table, but you know what I mean, like my TV unit and what I want and all of that, so it'll all slot in nicely. And yeah, I'm going to say this now, I'm really excited for my front room just because of Christmas. Like, I'm not going to lie, I already know where my Christmas tree is going. Yes, we are in July. Yes, it's nowhere near Christmas, but we've all got to look forward to something. And at the moment, Christmas is the nearest thing to look forward to for me. So yeah, so today I've decided I'm going to be decluttering, because if you didn't already know as well, it was just Harrison's birthday, and a big massive digger is about to go past my window, which by the way is noisy. I don't know if you heard that, but anyway. Sorry about that. So basically I'm going to be decluttering Harrison's toys mainly in the front room, because a lot of them have ended up downstairs and there's just so many toys. You know, it's like when you have a birthday and you just think, where are all these toys coming from? So anyway, I'm going to be decluttering his toys downstairs, and maybe I'm going to be decluttering upstairs as well. So I'm decluttering. I'm going to try, by the way, I haven't actually done it yet, so let's be honest, let's see how this goes. But I'm hoping to basically concentrate on toys today in his room, and to get all of the toys from downstairs upstairs, and I'm only going to have a small amount of toys in the front room going forward, because let's be honest, it's going to bring them down anyway, so I want to try and cut that down a bit. Because yeah, another thing is as well, we've had all of lockdown to declutter, and I'm doing it after lockdown. Brilliant. But yeah, going to get some motivation on today, putting on some music, putting on my AirPods, getting something done, and yeah, let's go and do this. Okay, so straight away we are dealing with toys on the floor as usual. Lots of teddies. Harrison loves a teddy. And this is the storage unit, the toy box-ish thing, the collapse from IKEA, that I wanted to organise today, because I could get rid of so much of this that he doesn't play with anymore and fit in a lot of his new stuff that's downstairs at the moment. This is where I wanted to change. I did need to go to IKEA, which I will go. Look, there's drawings on here, like, see what I mean? Like, this is real life. But anyway, I wanted to get white ones for in here. because I also wanted to kind of do something with it and also go with the design colour scheme I've got going on here. It's all like baby blue and white, as you can see, baby blue and all of that. And also there's actually toys in this, which is really heavy, it's cars. So yeah, we're dealing with that too. But a lot of questions I've got over on my home Instagram. A lot of people have been DMing me and asking me where I got this print from. And just for your information, I designed that print myself. So I did that myself. And it's basically because I couldn't find anything that I wanted to go with this room, because if you don't already know, the plan I've got for this room is baby blue and white stripes main theme. So I also have another couple of prints that I did, so not just his name. I'll show you in a minute. And I'm going to put them across here, or I'm going to put here. So I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with it yet, but I just need to get some command strips to put them up as well. And the frame, for people that have asked, is from IKEA. So yeah, so that's the theme I'm going for colour wise. So I'm just thinking of changing these boxes to white, which I haven't managed to go to IKEA just because of this week's been a bit nuts, but that's absolutely fine. So what my plan is to actually clear these boxes out, because there'll be a lot of things in here that I can either make better storage, or he doesn't play with anymore, and his new toys for his birthday can go in, and a lot from downstairs can go in up here, if that makes any sense. So if you notice, like, it's just a load of rubbish. Look, it's just these were supposed to be full of books, which I need to go through the books as well, because he doesn't read all of the books, and some of them are Isabella's from years ago, so I need to get rid of some of those. And as you can see, it's the toys spilled out over here. The drum kit is broke, so I really need to get rid of that. But I need to do this whilst Harrison isn't looking, because I don't know if your children are the same. But my children, or Harrison, doesn't let me throw nothing out if he's there. These are the boxes that I got from the range, which again, I'm planning on filling up, because I've got that one and I've got another one. So I've got two of those. So I wasn't sure whether I was going to put toys in them or what yet. I'm going to decide as I go along today, but they'll be filled up with something. So yeah, maybe it would be good for toy storage, but then they wouldn't be good to go up on there if they're toys, unless they're games. Maybe I'll put games in them and put them up here, because this wardrobe is secured to the wall, so it's not going to fall or anything. So maybe I could put some toys up there. Not sure yet. We'll see how we get on today. So yeah, got a lot to be getting on with. I really want to clear this weekend, really. If I can not do it, well, I want to clear it today, because we've even got stuff in the hallway. I just feel like I'm constantly decluttering. Is anyone the same? Like, it's ridiculous. But anyway, let's get on with it. Stop talking, Siobhan, because you're procrastinating, and let's get decluttering and organising before my new sofas come, so that I can have a nice pretty front room on Monday.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her.
Okay, so it's actually now the next day, and yesterday I just underestimated how much I had to actually get done because I did have the appointment at 4 o'clock to get the car and stuff like that, and I did start a bit later yesterday on decluttering. So I'm basically going to carry it on today. I need to go downstairs and I need to sort out the toy box downstairs and just maybe give it up a tidy, can't even speak now, give the front room a tidy up before the new sofas come on Monday, because obviously the old sofas are going on Monday as well. So it's like they're going and then the new ones are coming. So it's going to be absolutely madness. I've got so much to do on Monday as well, but never mind. So yeah, let's get this done now. Today is the day we're going to finish this because I'll feel so much better after. I know I will. And then I'll show you after sort of how much I've got to throw, because that's another thing. I run out of bin bags. And I just went to the shop this morning and that was what I went for, and you bet that I didn't actually come out with them, right? You were right, because I didn't. I got everything else apart from the bin bags. So I need to go and get them, because at the moment I've got one bin bag and then I've got the rest of them in like little carrier bags, and just that's not going to be acceptable to have loads of carrier bags around and take them to charity shops and stuff. So I need to bag them up properly, and then hopefully that'll be a job done. So let's go ahead and sort the front room out. Okay, so this is a toy box that you've seen every time I do a cleaning video, and it is full to the brim. It hasn't even got the lid on anymore. Like, I literally, this is normally how I chuck everything in. I just chuck it all in at the end of the day and that's it. Does the job. So now I'm going to actually clear all of this, because there is stuff that is just everywhere, and there's things that we're not going to need anymore, and I want to have less toys in the front room. So let's sort this toy box out.
I know the time does not stand still. Can see the world when it's spinning, spinning. Compensating for the moments that I spilled. Wish I could fly like an airplane, airplane. Stop forsaking everything that I've done. Won't be breaking easily now. Tell me straight up, I don't want it, no other way.
So I just quickly wanted to show you like where I've put the boxes and stuff. So that's like them toys, they've just got cars in. And then you've got the boxes that I got from B&M here with toys in. I'm going to show you in a minute what I've put in them. And then here is just like the same as what I had before. These are from IKEA. I have had them for so long. I've moved with them and everything, but they were brand new. I never used them. But the thing is this one's fallen down because I did have it attached, as you can see there, and I'm trying to peel that off without taking the paint off. But anyway, I've got them up with command strips, but this command strip just didn't work. So I need to put that one back up there, and then that'll be nice to have a little lighting area. But I've just put cars in there, as you've seen in the thing, and cars in there too. Before I carry on, I'm just going to quickly show you the prints that I was talking about. So you see this one earlier, or yesterday actually, when I showed you, and they're both designed by me. They're both a little bit different, so I used different backgrounds. Like I made different backgrounds. I made that one wider than that one. So I'm going to do another lot, but it doesn't matter either way. It looks nice still anyway. But basically, this is designs that I was doing, and I was going to do another one with a different dinosaur in it and have like that in the middle, and then two either side, which would have gone on this wall here where his bed is. But if I don't, I'll either put one on that but above his thing, or both of them above his headboard. So I'm not sure yet, but just in case you're wondering, I did design those and make those myself, and they're just perfect for his room. In here I've put like all of these big Transformers, dinosaurs, the big electronical style ones, whatever you want to call them. There is some more teddies in here. He's got so many teddies. In here I've actually just got one dinosaur. Seriously, look at these, the state of them. I can't wait to get some white ones. Just got one dinosaur in there because I've actually left some things downstairs I need to put up there. That's still a mess. I haven't sorted that one out yet because I told you that was the one that I'm not sure what to do with. In here, it looks like a mishmash, but it's not. It is actually figures and stuff, but it's these excess ones. In here, this is a mishmash. This has got a bit of everything in it. And in here, we've got the books and more books in here. So these are the boxes that I was really excited to fill, just because I love these boxes. So basically, these ones obviously have lids. Now, what I've done is I've put all of his figures in here. That, like I said, they're not exactly all of them, because some of them are in there, which I might actually transfer in here now, but because there's still room. But they're all like his smaller dinosaurs, figures, like animals and all of that. And I just thought, with it being a box with handles and a lid, what I could do, because he plays with this the most, and let me explain what's in this box, then I'll explain what I'm talking about. Then I've got all of his Lego in here. So I just thought, how good. They look lovely in his room, but I can also bring them down. Obviously, I will be bringing them down every day anyway. And he can have these downstairs, and they're like in a box. They're in their place, so they know where they've got to go back as well, because I'm also trying to teach him how to tidy up, because when he goes to reception, he needs to tidy up after himself and put like animals in the animal box and Lego, for example, in the Lego box. So I just thought that would be quite good to keep them sectioned like that, and it just makes it easy for me. And I can just bring sort of these boxes down every day, and they're the main things he plays with. So yeah, so I've done that. So that's how his room is looking at the moment, and it's so much more tidier. So that is what I've been doing in the last couple of days, as you've just watched. But I just need to do a little bit more tidying up in the front room, but I think I might even leave that, because all I'm going to do is probably take down the balloons. I'll show you in a minute that I've sorted out his toys. I've kept the big box for now until the sofas are in, because until the sofas are in and the new TV unit that I'm getting and all of that, when it's in its place, then I know what room I've got to have sort of a storage thing for his toys down, whether I'm going to have a smaller one or keep the bigger one. I'm not sure yet, but he does still need to have some toys down there. And I might even be getting a TV unit that might have storage where I can put his toys in there instead. So that'd be good. But I have left some of them down there for now, but I have cleared out a lot as well. So I'm happy with that. And everything's sort of in its place. And like I said, with those boxes up there, the striped boxes, like they're just really handy just to grab them down, got a lid, and he knows how to put them, where to put them as well, that they go in there. So I thought that was really, really good. But yeah. Okay, so I was just editing and realised I never actually ended that vlog. So I don't know what's going on with me at the minute. But yeah, I thought I would end it here. That is the decluttering side of me, basically waiting for my sofas, so sorting out my front room. I've decluttered the toys. I'm really happy with what I've done and put everything in its place. So now I'm just waiting for my sofa. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.